How do I pass command line arguments to a Node.js program? I have a web server written in Node.js and I would like to launch with a specific folder. I'm not sure how to access arguments in JavaScript. I'm running Node like this. Here server.js is my server code. Node.js help says this is possible. How would I access those arguments in JavaScript? Somehow I was not able to find this information on the web. Standard method. No library. The arguments are stored in process.argv. Process.argv is an array containing the command line arguments. The first element will be node. The second element will be the name of the JavaScript file. The next elements will be any additional command line arguments. This will generate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.